Hi, welcome. CJ Wild Money Entertainments. Friend of mine said, hey, what to do with a whole chicken? So I decided, let me help her make a stuffing, homemade, quick and easy. Pulled out some Worcestershire sauce, some sage, some Italian seasoning, mustard, an egg or two, sauteed some green peppers, some onions, grind up some grind meat. This is sausage, fresh sausage. You can do Italian sausage, sage sausage, whatever. Got some nice fresh bread. You can use stale bread. I'm gonna go ahead and break this all up, season this all down, mix it all together, then we'll be back. Green pepper, egg, and everything. You got a little dry, so I add a little bit of milk right here. And now it's moist. And I'm gonna put it in the pan, oven for 350 for about 20 minutes. Just so you see it get nice and crispy on the top. I'm going fast, people, because a storm is brewing outside. Okay, this is the chicken. Nice and crispy on the top. Okay, took out all that broth. So I can use that broth later on if I want to make chicken flavored rice or some form of soup. And you saw the stuffing. And then there you go. Get ready to fix the plate. Yummy, yummy. Look how tender this chicken is. Look at that. I just split it right in half. Nice and tender. Falling off the bone. Still got that nice little crisp top. Yeah. Look at that. Easy and juicy. Look at that juice right there. Yeah. I am making this punch. It takes fresh squeezed oranges. So I got some green oranges as well as some different types of color oranges. If you ever tried green oranges before, hit me up in the comments. Tell me a little bit about it. With Old Timer, as well as my new one, which is around here somewhere. I think my helper's helping me with that. And I'm going to mix it in here. Parrot Bay Coconut. Here we go. Thirsty. And I'm going to use a little bit of sugar just to cut that tart taste. Happy Memorial Day weekend.